Hi, Clark Reid back with you with today's tech headlines. If you enjoy these reports, we always ask you to help us out by crushing that like button. And you can also subscribe, and then you'll know when each new report is up and ready for you. In a stunning and embarrassing move, Google Maps will rename the Gulf of Mexico the Gulf of America in order to appease new President Donald Trump. 9to5Google.com reports that the rest of the world, besides the U.S., will see both Gulf of Mexico and Gulf of America. The name of Mount Denali in Alaska will also revert to Mount McKinley. Now, again, non-U.S. users will see both names. Google says it has a long-standing practice to use official government sources. Expect to see these ridiculous changes soon on Google Maps, unfortunately, but I can sense the laughter from the rest of the world as this goes down right now. Apple's big release of the year may not be an iPhone Air or whatever they decide to call the new skinny iPhone. Some Apple watchers think the big push will be their new home unit, which is being dubbed HomePad instead. According to BGR.com, the gadget will have about a 7-inch screen and can be attached either to a wall or to a base with built-in speakers. Such a device will be a major expansion into the home hub market for Apple. Bloomberg's Mark Gurman thinks it'll be smaller and cheaper than an iPad and will run its own operating system. With an A18 chip in it, it should be significantly more powerful than the HomePods, which run on an Apple Watch chip. Little by little, they keep expanding the territory, and now Waymo's Robotaxis in Los Angeles are moving from city streets to the Metro's famous or infamous freeway system. TechCrunch.com says to expect to see the Alphabet-owned robo vehicles on I-10, 110, 405, and 90 for the time being, at least. And these cars will not have a safety driver along behind the wheel. And at first, they'll only be transporting company employees, but they do plan to expand to the general public. Waymo already has been running on highways in the Bay Area, on the peninsula, and on San Francisco freeways. The Google Play Store is adding a verified badge for the consumer-facing VPN apps that appear on the store. 9to5Google.com notes that the store already introduced government badges last year, so this is something of an expansion of that. Google says the VPNs have an independent security review in the data safety section. A banner will also appear in the search results, and the new verified badge with a shield and check mark will show up next to the app rating and above the install button. Google, by the way, has a list of requirements the VPN must meet in order to get verified. I'm Clark Reid, and you're technified for now.